copying and pasting on your iPad is essential for productivity in 2025. iPadOS now offers multiple intuitive methods to copy and paste content efficiently. The most common method involves touching and holding on text until selection handles appear. You can then drag these blue handles to select your desired text. After selecting your text, tap Copy from the context menu that appears. To paste, simply touch and hold in your destination area and tap Paste. iPadOS offers exclusive three-finger gestures that make copying and pasting incredibly fast. A three-finger pinch copies content, while a three-finger spread pastes it. iPadOS 18 introduces Universal Clipboard 2.0 with enhanced cross-device functionality. You can copy content on your iPad and seamlessly paste it on your iPhone, Mac, or other Apple devices with faster syncing. The new AI-powered Smart Paste feature automatically formats content based on the destination context. This means your pasted content will adapt intelligently to match the formatting requirements of where you're pasting. Apple Pencil integration adds powerful copy and paste capabilities for handwritten content. The Scribble feature can convert your handwriting to typed text, and you can copy perfect geometric shapes from hand-drawn sketches. These copy and paste fundamentals form the foundation of efficient iPad productivity. Whether you prefer traditional touch methods, quick gestures, or advanced AI features, iPadOS 2025 provides multiple ways to work seamlessly with your content. Beyond basic copy and paste, iPad offers powerful three-finger gestures that make text editing incredibly fast and intuitive. Use a three-finger pinch gesture to copy selected text. This works anywhere on the screen and provides haptic feedback to confirm the action. To paste, use a three-finger spread gesture. This instantly places your copied content at the cursor location. You can also swipe left with three fingers to undo your last action, or swipe right to redo. These gestures work system-wide across all apps. When using an external keyboard with your iPad, traditional keyboard shortcuts provide another efficient way to copy and paste content. Command+C copies selected content, Command+V pastes it, and Command+X cuts the content, removing it from the original location. The Apple Pencil adds another dimension to copy and paste functionality with intelligent text recognition and precise selection tools. The Scribble feature automatically converts your handwritten text into typed text, which you can then copy and paste into any app that accepts text input. Double tap with the Apple Pencil to quickly select entire words or sentences, making text selection much more precise than finger touch. Looking toward the future, iPad's copy and paste functionality is evolving with artificial intelligence and enhanced security features. AI-enhanced clipboard management will provide smart content recognition, automatically categorizing what you copy and suggesting optimal paste locations and formats. Cross-platform compatibility will expand beyond Apple devices, enabling seamless clipboard sharing with Windows and Android devices through cloud synchronization. Privacy and security enhancements will include end-to-end encryption for clipboard data and automatic content expiration to protect sensitive information. These advanced techniques and future innovations will make copy and paste operations more intuitive, secure, and powerful than ever before, transforming how we interact with digital content on iPad.